Are you wondering which game engine is better for you? Today we are comparing Unity and Godot. Both Unity and Godot are popular tools for game development. They help developers create games for many platforms, but they have different features and strength. Let's start with Unity. Unity is well known in the gaming world. It has a large community and many resources. Developers love its powerful graphics and flexibility. You can create 2D and 3D games easily. Unity also supports virtual reality, which is a big plus. Now, let's look at Godot. Godot is an open source engine. This means it's free to use and has no licensing fees. It's lightweight and easy to learn, making it great for beginners. Godot has a unique scene system that helps organize game elements well. So, what are the key differences? Unity is more established and has a wider range of tools. Godot is simpler and easier for new developers. Unity offers more asset options, while Godot provides a more streamlined experience. When it comes to features, Unity has a vast asset store. You can find many ready made tools and assets. Godot, on the other hand, has built-in features that cover most needs without extra purchases. In terms of pricing, Unity has a free version, but you may need to pay for advanced features. Godot is completely free with no hidden cost. So, which one should you choose? If you want powerful tools and are okay with some costs, go for Unity. If you prefer a simple, free option, Godot is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful,